Oh, we've been here
60
for
years.
60, it's our 61st year. This is an outline of how it used to be back in the days. This is the history. This is our grandfather.
Hey, so all of you all played a part.
It
So-
has, and this photo here, iconically holding a tray of samosa, is with the Queen. The reason why they wanted to show people back in Kashmir, look, we're living
Yes.
the high life here in
Yep.
the UK. We're working really, really hard.
Yep.
And the Queen, and it was a big part.
I've been waiting for this moment for such a long time. It's been a long time since I had one of these samosas drowned in that signature sauce. Bismillah. This is fantastic and it's really, really delicious. I have to say he's done a fantastic job because that is Jewel Bucket certified. Bush! Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
कैसे भाई
Right, मुझे उर्दू नहीं आती है
उर्दू नहीं आती है हिंदी आती है
मुझे বাংলা आती है বাংলাদেশ
वाले आसोनी
আমি ভালো আছি আপনার ভালো নেই
हाँ
কিন্তু ভালো নেই
मैं पाकिस्तानी आसे
ভাই